Need help understanding Sabbath Mode and how to use it? No worries! Sabbath Mode is available on some models. The feature disables all audible tones and visual display changes on the oven control in accordance with observance of the Sabbath and other religious holidays within the Orthodox Jewish community. The following keys will function correctly when the Sabbath Mode is active: up and down arrow keys, bake, and off. No other key should be used during Sabbath Mode. All oven controls are locked during Sabbath Mode. Bake heating is the only cooking feature available. Any settings made prior to setting Sabbath Mode will be visible in the display. In preparation for Sabbath Mode, be sure the clock is set with the correct time of day and place food in the oven. Press Bake. Within 5 seconds, press the up or down arrows to set your preferred temperature. The arrow keys adjust the temperature in increments of 5 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 degree Celsius. If bake time is desired, enter the time. The bake time option, if set prior to Sabbath Mode, will give one audible alert at the end of bake time. To activate Sabbath Mode, press and hold the bake time and set clock keys simultaneously for at least 3 seconds. SAB will appear in the display, indicating the oven is properly set for Sabbath Mode. Remember, once SAB appears in the display, the oven controls will no longer beep or display any further changes. The oven will automatically shut off after completing a bake time and may only be used once during Sabbath Mode. To change the oven temperature once baking has started, press Bake. Use the arrow keys to adjust temperature. Remember, once SAB appears in the display, the oven controls will no longer beep or display any further changes. If you experience a power failure while in Sabbath Mode, the oven will shut off. When power is restored, the range will return to Sabbath Mode and the oven will display SF for Sabbath failure. Note: the oven cannot be turned back on until after the Sabbath or holiday. To turn the oven off and keep Sabbath Mode active, press Off. To turn Sabbath Mode off, press and hold the bake time and set clock keys simultaneously for at least 3 seconds. You'll hear a tone indicating the change, and SAB will disappear from the display. Now you can resume full functionality of your range. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.